Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to locate your Google AdSense slot ID. This is an important piece of information you'll need when setting up ads on your website or troubleshooting ad placements. So let's walk through how to find it quickly. First, open your browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. Once you're on the AdSense homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that's associated with your ads, as this is where all your ad units and their corresponding information are stored. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense dashboard. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. From this menu, click on Ads. This section is where you manage all your advertising units and configurations, giving you full control over how your ads appear and perform across your sites. Next, you'll notice several options within the Ads section. Go ahead and click on By Ad Unit. This view organizes your ads by individual units, making it much easier to locate specific ads and their details. It's a straightforward way to see all the ad units you've created in one organized list. Now, you should be able to see all your existing ad units displayed on the screen. Each one represents a different ad placement you've set up, whether it's for display ads, in-article ads, or other formats. Browse through this list and locate the specific ad unit whose slot ID you need to find. Once you've found the right ad unit, look for the code icon positioned beside it. This icon typically looks like a pair of brackets or a snippet symbol, and clicking it will reveal the technical code for that particular ad unit. Go ahead and click on this icon to proceed. A window will pop up displaying the ad code for your selected unit. This code is what you would normally paste into your website's HTML to display the ad. Within this code, you need to locate a specific attribute called data-ad-slot. This is the key identifier you're looking for, as it contains your unique slot ID. Right after the data-ad-slot attribute, you'll see a string of numbers. This number is your AdSense slot ID. Each ad unit has its own unique slot ID, which helps AdSense track performance and serve the correct ads in the right places. You can now copy this ID and use it wherever needed in your website setup or configuration. And that's it. You've successfully located your Google AdSense slot ID, which you can now use to properly configure your ads or troubleshoot any issues you might be experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.